Have you ever wondered about places where strange events and unsolved mysteries are hidden at every turn? These locations, whether a creepy forest, a dangerous island, or a place where time seems lost, are not only famous for their eerie tales, but also for mind-blowing phenomena. Let's explore some of the most unknown, dangerous, and fascinating spots that will make you think. It's also so interesting to have magical places in the same planet where we live. Number 1. Socotra Island, Yemen. Socotra is a unique and mysterious island in the Arabian Sea, renowned for its incredible biodiversity and bizarre-looking flora. It hosts over 800 plant species, most of which are found nowhere else on Earth. The most famous is the dragon blood tree, Dracaena cinnamomum. This tree gets its name from its crimson red sap, which was used in ancient times as a medicine and dye. Its strange, umbrella-like shape contributes to the island's otherworldly atmosphere, often leading to it being called the last paradise on Earth. Number 2. Snake Island, Brazil. Ilha da Queimada Grande, also known as Snake Island, is one of the world's most dangerous places, located about 35 kilometers off the coast of São Paulo. The name is very accurate. The island is filled with an extremely high concentration of venomous snakes. It is home to an estimated 4,000 to 5,000 snakes, including the highly toxic golden lancehead viper, Bothrops insularis, whose venom is so potent it can cause death with a single bite. The danger is so extreme that the Brazilian government has closed the island to the public, allowing only select scientists to visit for research. Local legends also claim the presence of a lost ancient temple and hidden treasure guarded by the snakes. Number 3. Stonehenge, England. Located in Wiltshire, England, Stonehenge is an ancient and mysterious structure, remaining an enigma to humanity. This massive circle of standing stones is one of the world's most famous monuments, believed to be around 5,000 years old. The structure used stones weighing up to 20 tons, transported from distant locations, raising the question of how this was achieved in ancient times. Scholars believe it was used as an astronomical observatory to track the sun and moon, notably aligning with the sunrise on the summer solstice. Its real purpose and construction method remain one of history's greatest unsolved puzzles. Number 4. The Bermuda Triangle, Atlantic Ocean. The Bermuda Triangle, also called the Devil's Triangle, is a large area in the Atlantic Ocean bounded by Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. This region, spanning about 500,000 square miles, is famous for the mysterious disappearance of ships and aircraft. One of the most famous incidents was Flight 19 in 1945, where 5 U.S. Navy bomber planes vanished. Scientific theories suggest possible causes like sudden methane gas eruptions from the seabed, powerful ocean currents, or magnetic anomalies confusing navigation. Still, many folktales persist about it being a supernatural area, a time gate, or a hidden base for aliens. Number 5. Moai Statues of Easter Island, Chile. Easter Island, Rapa Nui, located in the South Pacific, is famous for its incredible and mysterious Moai statues. About 900 of these huge stone figures are scattered across the island. The statues, carved by the ancient Rapa Nui civilization, can reach up to 10 meters in height and weigh many tons, mostly depicting long, wide human faces. The biggest mystery is how these massive statues were transported across the island by a civilization lacking modern technology. The purpose is debated. Theories range from tributes to ancestors and leaders to being spiritual or religious symbols. Number 6. Göbekli Tepe, Turkey. Located in southeastern Turkey, Göbekli Tepe is a mysterious and ancient site believed to be the world's oldest known religious and historical structure, dating back about 12,000 years. This is an amazing finding, as its construction predates the development of permanent human settlements and agriculture. The site features massive stone pillars, some intricately carved with figures of animals, like snakes and lions. Scientists believe it was one of the first human-made temples, proving that complex spiritual or religious activities existed long before the Neolithic Revolution. Number 7. Devil's Kettle, USA. Devil's Kettle is a peculiar and mysterious waterfall located in Minnesota's forests. Its enduring mystery is that when the water from the Brule River splits and falls, half of it continues on, but the other half pours into a deep hole and disappears completely, never appearing anywhere else. Scientists have conducted experiments, even pouring colored dye into the hole, but have never confirmed the water's underground path. The name and the strange phenomenon have led to local legends, claiming the hole is literally a kettle or secret reservoir used by the devil. Number 8. Nazca Lines, Peru. The Nazca Lines are a series of giant geoglyphs in the Nazca Desert of Peru, covering a 500 square kilometer area. These massive lines and drawings depict animals, birds, and geometric shapes, with some so large that they can only be clearly seen from the air. Created by the ancient Nazca culture, the purpose of these lines remains an enigma. Theories suggest they may have been related to astronomy, used for religious rituals to please the gods for water supply, or perhaps served as a large-scale calendar. A popular, though unproven, theory suggests they were created by aliens to mark their presence on Earth. Number 9. Plain of Jars, Laos. The Plain of Jars in the Siêng Quang region of Laos is an unusual site containing hundreds of massive stone jars. These jars are linked to a civilization from about 2,500 years ago, but their purpose and construction method are still unknown. Some jars are large enough to hold a person. The leading theories suggest they were used in ancient burial rituals for storing the remains of the dead, or perhaps for brewing and storing rice wine for religious ceremonies. The vast size and sheer number of these ancient artifacts make it a crucial and challenging site for archaeological study. Number 10. The Crooked Forest, Poland. The Crooked Forest is a mysterious and bizarre grove in western Poland, known for its approximately 400 pine trees that bend sharply at a 90-degree angle near the base of their trunks. This strange formation makes the forest look entirely unlike any normal woodland. Scientists are puzzled by this phenomenon. The main hypothesis is that the trees were intentionally shaped by humans in the 1930s to create naturally curved timber for shipbuilding or furniture. Other theories suggest a natural cause, like severe weather or a local energy field. But the mystery of the tree's uniform bend remains unsolved. So these are the most mysterious and strange places on Earth, and there are so many more that I could make. Please comment if you wish to know something like this in future. If you like content, do like, share, and subscribe Magical Worldview for more updates. Also, love your family, friends, and our magical world.